Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Nowadays, every one of us has become very health and diet conscious. So we include oats in our regular diet recipes. So today I'm going to show an amazing yet simple and tasty recipe. Without any further delay, let's get into the process. This process doesn't need any overnight fermentation or soaking or nothing. You can just prepare within 5 to 10 minutes. So all I have taken is a bowl and added 1 full cup of oats. This is not a promotion for Saffola oats. You can add any brand oats here. I have got it from the market, so I'm adding 1 full cup of hot water into it, and I have given a nice stir. So do not add water first of all, add little by little, one at a time. So first I have added 1 full cup of hot water for 1 cup oats, and then again I have added half a cup of hot water and then gave it a nice stir. So see, you should get a juicy texture like this, as I have shown here, watery thing. So water should be more than the oats so that the oats get soaked well nicely with the hot water. So you don't need to boil them on the stove. So allow the oats to set for a while. Now on the other hand, take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of groundnuts and allow them to turn nice golden brown color. And in that also add half a chili that slit round like this, and then take it into a bowl and put it aside. In the same oil, that is 1 tablespoon of oil, add mustard seeds and cumin seeds and just allow them to splutter, and later add half a tomato, small tomato chopped nicely, and give it a nice quick stir and allow them to fry for just 1 minute. Do not overcook the tomatoes, that will become mushy. And later on top of it add coriander, and that's it. Turn off the stove and put it aside. Now you can see that the water is all absorbed and the oats are nicely cooked and done. Into that goes grated carrot. Here I have added only carrot, but if you like beetroot also, you can add grated beetroot also. And also you can add any vegetable of your choice like cauliflower, French beans, potatoes, anything. You can fry it and add it into the oats mixture as I have shown here. But here I am showing you a basic one, so I have added only carrot. And once you are done with carrots, just add yogurt or curd. Here I have added homemade curd. You can add any curd of your choice, and then look that your oats should be creamy in texture. I like it in that way. So do not add more water in the beginning, and also look that your curd is creamy and nice in texture. And after mixing it nicely, add a pinch of salt to taste. If you do not like salt, you can skip it completely. And then add all the fried ingredients, and top of it again just top it with some tomatoes and groundnuts and a little bit of grated carrot, and that's it. You're all ready to eat. Now 1 bowl of this oats recipe with yogurt makes you full, and this is how you cannot go for cravings further, and it will help you to be full for a very long time. This is how you can make yourselves healthy, and also I must say this is very tasty. You can always prepare this just within few minutes. I hope you like this video, and if you're planning for diet, do try this recipe. You'll truly love it. So if you like the video, please do give it a like, and also do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.